For centuries, humanity has looked toward the stars with one powerful question in mind. Are we alone in this vast universe? Every night, millions of stars shine above us, each one holding mysteries that challenge our imagination. But every once in a while, a discovery comes along that makes us stop, look upward, and rethink our place in the cosmos. The idea of finding another world similar to Earth has always captured human curiosity. A planet with the right conditions, a stable environment, and the possibility of supporting life would not just be another scientific discovery. It would be a turning point in our understanding of the universe. When scientists discover a planet that appears to have Earth-like characteristics, excitement spreads across the world. Researchers carefully study its atmosphere, temperature, distance from its star, and the possibility of liquid water. These details help answer one of the greatest questions ever asked. Could life exist somewhere beyond our own planet? A potential Earth 2.0 represents more than a new planet. It represents hope, curiosity, and the endless possibilities of exploration. It reminds us that Earth is not the only story written in the universe. There may be countless worlds waiting to be discovered, each with its own secrets and mysteries. The search for another Earth also teaches us something important about our own planet. As we explore distant worlds, we begin to appreciate the uniqueness of Earth, the perfect balance of oceans, atmosphere, climate, and ecosystems that allow life to thrive. Discovering another planet does not make our home less special. Instead, it highlights how precious it truly is. The journey toward finding a second Earth is filled with challenges. Planets are incredibly far away, and studying them requires advanced technology, powerful telescopes, and years of careful research. Scientists cannot simply travel to these distant worlds. They must analyze tiny signals of light and use those. Humanity's search for another Earth. The discovery of Earth-like planets connects to humanity's oldest curiosity, whether life exists beyond our planet. Scientists continue searching the universe for worlds that may have conditions similar to Earth. For thousands of years, humanity has looked toward the sky and wondered if we are the only life in the universe. The search for another Earth begins with this deep curiosity and the desire to understand our place among the countless stars and galaxies. Scientists around the world continue exploring distant planets, searching for environments that may have similarities to our own planet. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering one of the biggest questions ever asked. Is Earth the only place where life can exist? The idea of finding another Earth-like world creates excitement because it could reveal that the conditions needed for life are not unique to our planet. Researchers study thousands of planets outside our solar system, looking for signs of water, suitable temperatures, and atmospheres that could support living organisms. Although these worlds are incredibly far away, every discovery provides valuable information about how planets form and evolve. The search for Earth 2.0 is not only about finding a new home in space. It is about expanding human knowledge, inspiring future generations, and discovering the hidden wonders of the universe. Every step in this journey brings us closer to understanding the possibilities that exist beyond our own world. Expend 2 in 200 words without headings. A planet cannot simply be called another Earth because of its size or appearance. Scientists carefully examine many important factors before considering a distant world as Earth-like. One of the most important conditions is the planet's location around its star. If it is at the right distance, it may have temperatures suitable for maintaining liquid water, which is considered a key ingredient for life as we know it. What makes a planet Earth-like? A possible Earth 2.0 must have important characteristics such as a suitable distance from its star, a stable climate, a protective atmosphere, and the potential presence of liquid water. A planet cannot simply be called another Earth because of its size or appearance. Scientists carefully examine many important factors before considering a distant world as Earth-like. One of the most important conditions is the planet's location around its star. If it is at the right distance, it may have temperatures suitable for maintaining liquid water, which is considered a key ingredient for life as we know it. Another important factor is the atmosphere. A protective atmosphere can help regulate temperature, provide essential gases, and shield the planet from harmful space radiation. Scientists also study the planet's surface, climate patterns, and chemical composition to understand whether it could support conditions similar to Earth. The presence of water remains one of the biggest clues in the search for habitable worlds. Oceans, rivers, or even hidden underground water could increase the possibility that a planet has the right environment for life. However, finding these signs from millions of kilometers away is a challenging task that requires advanced technology and careful observation. Understanding what makes a planet Earth-like helps scientists identify the most promising worlds among the billions that may exist in the universe. Each discovery teaches us more about planetary systems and brings humanity closer to finding a world that could truly resemble our own. The impact of a new planet discovery. Finding a planet similar to Earth would change our understanding of the universe. It could become one of the greatest scientific discoveries, inspiring new research and exploration. The discovery of a possible Earth-like planet would have a powerful impact on science, society, and the way humanity views the universe. Finding a world with conditions similar to Earth would be one of the most exciting moments in the history of space exploration. It would challenge our understanding of how common life-supporting environments are and could provide new opportunities for studying planets beyond our solar system. Such a discovery would encourage scientists to investigate deeper questions about the formation of planets, the possibility of alien life, and the future of space exploration. Researchers would carefully analyze the planet's atmosphere, climate, and chemical elements to search for signs that could reveal whether life might exist there. Beyond science, the discovery would capture the imagination of people around the world. It would inspire young generations to learn about astronomy, technology, and exploration. A new Earth-like planet would remind humanity that the universe is filled with possibilities and that there are still countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Although reaching such a distant world may not be possible with today's technology, the discovery itself would mark a major step forward. It would open new doors for research, innovation, and our understanding of humanity's place in the vast universe. Technology behind discovering distant worlds. Advanced telescopes and scientific methods allow researchers to study planets that are many light years away. By analyzing light, atmosphere, and other signals, scientists can uncover secrets of distant worlds. The discovery of distant planets similar to Earth would not be possible without advanced technology and powerful scientific tools. Since these planets are located many light years away, humans cannot directly visit them or observe their surfaces in detail. Instead, scientists rely on innovative methods, powerful telescopes, and careful analysis to uncover the secrets of these hidden worlds. One of the most important tools in this search is the Space Telescope. These advanced instruments allow scientists to observe distant stars and detect tiny changes that may reveal the presence of orbiting planets. When a planet passes in front of its star, it can slightly reduce the star's brightness. By studying these small changes, researchers can determine the planet's size, distance from its star, and orbital patterns. Another important technique involves studying the light that passes through a planet's atmosphere. Different gases leave unique signals in this light, allowing scientists to identify the chemical composition of distant atmospheres. This information can reveal whether a planet contains elements that are important for life, such as water vapor, oxygen, or other compounds. Technology continues to improve, allowing scientists to discover smaller and more distant planets than ever before. New generations of telescopes are being designed to collect more detailed information about these worlds. With better instruments, researchers hope to answer deeper questions about planetary environments and whether conditions for life exist elsewhere. The search for Earth 2.0 is a perfect example of how human curiosity drives technological progress. Every new discovery pushes scientists to develop better tools and more advance. The meaning of Earth 2.0 for humanity. The search for another Earth reminds us about the uniqueness and importance of our own planet. It represents hope, exploration, and humanity's endless desire to understand the universe and its mysteries. The search for Earth 2.0 is much more than a scientific mission to find another planet. It represents humanity's endless curiosity, hope, and desire to understand our place in the universe. Every discovery of a new world reminds us that Earth is part of a much larger cosmic story, filled with countless possibilities and mysteries waiting to be explored. Finding a planet with similarities to Earth would change the way we see ourselves and our connection with the universe. It would show that the conditions needed for life may not be unique to our planet. The discovery of another world with water, a suitable atmosphere, and a stable environment could suggest that life might exist beyond Earth. Even if no life is found, the discovery itself would provide valuable knowledge about how planets develop and what makes Earth so special. At the same time, the search for another Earth teaches us to appreciate our own home planet. As scientists study distant worlds, they also learn more about the delicate balance that allows life to exist here. Earth's oceans, atmosphere, climate, and ecosystems work together in a remarkable way. Understanding other planets helps us recognize the importance of protecting the world we already have. The possibility of Earth 2.0 also inspires future generations to dream bigger. Young scientists, engineers, and explorers may one day create new technologies that allow humanity to travel farther into space. The discoveries being made today could become the foundation for future missions that explore distant planets and expand the boundaries of human knowledge. Although another Earth may still be far beyond our reach, the search itself has already changed humanity. It has encouraged cooperation between scientists,